Hi, 7th graders. Mr. Kerr here, and welcome to week 13, where we're going to be comparing countries and statistics. So, first of all, I just want to mention that week 13, this is our last week before the Thanksgiving break, and Thanksgiving break the whole week. We won't have anything new that whole week. Technically, you don't need to log in or anything, but those of you that are missing work, and there are a few of you out there, really need to take advantage of this. They're only a couple of weeks after the Thanksgiving week until the end of the semester, and those of you that have missing work really need to use this week to get caught up. All past due assignments, make sure you're all complete with this current week as well, of course. So as we go into this week, make sure you're checking your gradebook, email, messages, all of those things. We are in Unit 2 where we're still comparing governments, and Week 13 we're comparing countries and statistics. Now, there are three things that we're really focused on for this week, and that is life expectancy, per capita GDP, and literacy rates. So by the end of this week, you will need to know what geographers look at as life expectancy, per capita GDP, and literacy rates. GDP stands for gross domestic product. And so you'll be reading through. You have two assignments. The first assignment is to complete a chart, and the chart has two parts to it. The first part is, let me open it up here. The first part is to define these three things in your own words and to find three sources. So use three sources online or textbook or something to look up the definitions of these three terms and write down the definition in your own words. So don't copy any of the sources. Make sure you do it in your own words, but list three sources. So don't just look up in Wikipedia and then write down the definition. You need to look at three different sources, kind of compare them together, and then write a definition in your own words. So that's the first part. The second part is you're going to be looking at all of these countries, about 10 altogether: Jordan, South Korea, North Korea, Kuwait, Japan, Israel, Turkey, South Sudan, Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, and China. And you are going to get the life expectancy, the literacy rate, and the GDP per capita. So life expectancy, you're going to do it for three different times: 1950, the year 2000, and estimated in the year 2050. Literacy rate, split it up by male and female, just as we've done here for the country of Jordan. And the GDP per capita, so per person, how much money are they making. These are you can use other sources if you want, but these are the ones. The UN data source will really help you, especially with this life expectancy and especially with this estimate in 2015. Literacy rate per capita GDP, probably the CIA World Fact Book that we've used before will be your best bet. But make sure you complete both parts of this worksheet, and you'll complete that and put it here. And then we have a discussion board. How'd you like that? How would you like to be carrying an entire car on your bike? But this discussion board, you have your post. You need to do a picture and then 2 replies. And each of the 4 parts are worth 25 pieces. And so make sure you read through, figure out exactly what you need to do for your post, what we're looking for your picture, and your replies disagree or agree and contain details and a question in your replies. Okay, so that is what we're doing this week to really get a good idea about per capita GDP, literacy rate, and life expectancy. As I mentioned before, please, let's get all caught up over Thanksgiving week. If you have anything outstanding, this is really a good time to do it, because after Thanksgiving, there are only a couple of weeks, and then the semester's over. All right? So let me know if you have any questions. Really need people to be going back, checking everything for the semester, getting ready for the last few weeks here. All right, work hard. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.